And the reception will be very good. That's for sure. This is even with the storm, right?
Yeah.
Because those discs, if there is a storm, you'll be seeing like this on your screen.
Or nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've had that before. I've had Dish or DirecTV.
Uh-huh.
You know.
So right now,
better.
this blue one is the big house, and the one you're doing is for the other one. Now, if you put mine, I'll be the third one there, and that's maximum of 3 now, or 4.
We always put 4.
4 because in case he wants it, yeah. Now I understand what I've been wondering long time ago. And that red is fiber optic? No.
All these,
Yeah.
This is the cable here. That's what's coming.
Those are giving signal?
Well, they don't have anything on it. Well, yeah, they do have.
Wow.
Actually, there's a box right over here in the curve.
Uh-huh.
Back behind that, the new model home.
Yeah, the new one.
Big beige box back there. It kind of sets in their fence a little bit.
Oh.
That's where our connections are. Whenever we get an order, we go over there and connect whatever they tell us.
I'll go for AT&T because it's in my property. That's another thing that I like about it. I can take care of that. Make sure nothing happened to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because if I go Comcast, it will be on the other side.
Yep.
Nobody tell me what's that. So that is exclusively AT&T.
Yes.
Now nobody will touch that.
Nobody
That's
else.
good. There you go. I don't know if Comcast have a contract. I think AT&T there's a 1-year contract, right? And then after that you're all
I don't even know.
something like that. I have to call them, but I cannot call them not until we really permanently move here.
Yeah. So you say you're over in Cyprus?
Huh?
You got a house in Cyprus?
Yes.
Where is that?
And my son has a house there too.
Okay.
The Bridgeland, yes. But most of those people are Comcast. So when I see something like this, I know it's AT&T, right?
Yes. This
Oh, I
round
see.
Like this. Theirs is more of a square.
If I see it's a big one like this, that is Comcast.
Right.
So I think you are right, because there's so many like that. Even on the vacant lots.
Right.
That means it's already wired.
Yeah, it's got the cable up in it.
Yeah. They are not just using it. Oh, that's the address.
Yeah.
Because I am 5835. Yeah. So they will know you're right, because otherwise... How long you been doing this?
The fiber I've only been doing about a year.
The fiber.
Yeah. But I work,
So they have to train you. I mean, like you have a seminar for this.
yeah, we go to a class. It's a little over a week long, and then
Uh-huh.
I didn't do it after I went to the class. I was maybe about 2 years, never touched it.
In your
In field training.
experience, is this easier?
Yeah. Well.
More
it
complicated?
takes a lot longer.
Oh.
All the things you have to do, but I like it better. It's,
And the the carrying will be different, right? Of course, from coax and then fiber.
Yeah.
Because you said no splicing, so everything must be one piece.
Well, yeah, it's fused together, if you could call it.
Oh, fuse, like melting?
Yes. That's what this machine
Oh, really? Like the like the electric glue?
No, it's not a glue.
So it cannot be so it can be connected, but they don't want to do that in case something goes wrong, like it being cut.
Right. Well, you know, it would be nicer if it just had connectors on both ends.
Rather than...
You never know how long it's going to be.
Oh, that's right. Yes, yes. So you just leave that one buried and then put a new one.
Yeah.
That's the best thing to do. That's really true.